Leland here with Benchmark Vehicles, and we are in sunny Hood River at the Adventure Van Expo. This is my backyard, this is my home mountain. We're showcasing Benchmark Van number 100 and number 101. We're gonna do a full walkthrough. There's some really cool new product on here, some really cool interior features that we're working on. So let's go check out inside and have some fun. Benchmark Vehicles number 100, sort of a milestone for us. When we first started working with this client, we had some really amazing discussions about what he needed for his family, what his uses are. Big mountain biker, big skier, lives in Colorado. Wanted a van that could handle all 4 seasons, handle variable terrain, be driven hard, and be completely reliable. So we did an XPEL PPF stealth wrap on the exterior. We've done our signature Line-X. We used Rome-built side steps. We used the RE Global fender flares, Alvan's Talon wheels, a 33-inch tall BFG tire. Van Compass provided us with the inverted rally strut suspension, which is a pretty new product from them. Super impressed driving that over the last couple weeks. Hood lights with the LP4s. We did LP6s on the backwoods front bumper. Custom powder coated Warren shackles. We did a custom powder coated Van Compass skid plate, and that skid plate goes all the way through the transfer case and the transmission. Rome-built roof rack with a rigid RDS 50-inch Pro light bar. It's a pretty cool front end, pretty amazing van. Not a whole lot we left off of this particular build, but really what sets it apart is the interior, so let's go check that out. In the Galley, we kept everything open as we like to do. We obviously used enough space in here to accommodate a really cool bar. We used our Norland glasses, which were introduced to me a number of years ago, and they're just a beautiful handmade glass whiskey tumbler. And this guy lives in outside of Breckenridge. His buddy owns a Breckenridge distillery, so of course we've got down here the Breckenridge rum cask finish whiskey. Can't miss that. It leads you into our foam inserts with our Portuguese silverware. We have a pretty cool surprise for this customer. So Benchmade is a local knife company. They make beautiful knives, and they released their cutlery series for kitchenware, and we had it engraved specially with our logo on it. Pairs well with that Benchmade logo. 2 Oregon companies combined. And these are knives. They're razor sharp and really nice to work with. Our Yeti cups, as everyone's used to seeing, all nested in foam, branded of course. And a little Le Creuset pot and pan in the base drawer here. We used a 4.7 cubic foot C130 Vitrifrigo fridge. Our controls, as everyone's used to seeing, are centrally located, so you can control your Wi-Fi, check your tank levels, drain your gray tanks. Beautiful cabinetry, Agar laminate. Of course, everything's grain matched. Don't take the time to grain match your cabinetry, then you're not trying hard enough. Shower, amazing space. This one we did a wood shower mat. We did our wood shelf. We switched up to black fixtures, which I really like. They tie in all the elements within the van. Goes with the knobs. Black fixtures for the sink, soap dispenser, filtered water dedicated, mirror, because got to dress up in the morning. Another cool feature, which everyone is used to seeing, coffee maker. This spin machine is really cool. We did a little sleeve for the drip tray. Put your mug in there, get an Americano going, espresso, perfect thing in the morning, works really well. This coffee machine is plumbed directly into the Guzzle H2O water filter, so you don't need to worry about refilling it. When this thing wants water, it pulls right from the tank. You get filtered water. And lastly, down below, the kettle, the fellow kettle. and Breville toaster. Gotta have that toasted bagel with cream cheese in the morning, nothing better. So custom Shieldman seats, leather bolsters, gray checker center, cloth seats, heated, amazing driving experience. We did a couple tables on here, which is cool. So smaller passenger side table, larger driver's side, Scopima 60 centimeter seat, which of course we upholstered to match the Shieldmans, because why wouldn't you? One of my favorite features, and definitely the newest, and I think that the coolest thing we've done, is the Focal Utopia audio system. There's 16 speakers in this van. We've got 6.5 inch speakers. We've got 4-inch mids in our 3D printed A-pillar speaker pods with tweeters. We've got a tweeter in the door. We've got a 6.5 in the door. We've got tweeters in the back doors, 6.5 speakers in the back doors, a 10-inch Focal sub, which if you compare Focal sub to a JL Audio sub, just the level of craftsmanship behind that sub and the weight and the quality is incredible. There's 3 JL amplifiers in this guy. One to power the sub, one to power all the lows, and one to power all the mids. And it's just phenomenal what this thing can put out. And believe it, we were partying last night and we were pumping music across this entire venue.